So firstly go to the part, then go to new, and then select all the planes and click on show. There are several workbenches, so select sketcher. There are so many functions, so first sketch. So firstly select the plane and click on sketch. First command is line, so select line. There are three types of line: center line, midpoint line. So we select the simple line, the line created between 2 points. So click anywhere, so it created 2-point line. Okay, then give some dimensions. There are several types of dimensions. Let me choose simple dimension, smart dimension. I'll keep it as it is. There is no need of change the dimension. And exit sketch. We are going to the next feature, which is circle. There are two types of circles, circle and parametric circle. We choose the simple circle. So for the circle we choose the center and just click and draw, and then go to the dimension, smart dimension, choose any dimension, just click, and if you want to change it. I will keep it as 150. So just keep the dimension at the center. Okay, adjusting. Now our circle is created. Now we move to the next step, that is splines. So go with a simple spline, click on the spline feature, click on the center line, click anywhere, whatever shape you want, then just move the cursor. The line changes its shape as per your cursor. Next feature is square. So there are several types of rectangle, parallelogram also. So we choose the center rectangle. Only just click the center and drag it. So I'll take it as 100, and other side is 100. It is square. Next feature is arc. So there are three types of arc: center point, tangent, and 3-point arc. So firstly we go with the 3-point arc. Choose the 2-point, and the radius is the third point. So let me choose the radius. So our next feature is ellipse, parabola, and conic. So we choose the ellipse. So firstly select the eccentric diameter. When both the dimensions were set, your ellipse is ready. Then next is the text only, no need to that. So go with the slot. Okay, simple slot. Choose the center line dimensions and just drag your mouse. Okay, then you can adjust the dimensions where the tabs and the types of dimensions. Simply change the dimensions and click OK. This is our feature. So next is the polygon. So click the center and drag it and just click on the screen. Then you appear the windows of the number of sides you want. It can change as your polygon. This is polygon also. So we choose the pentagon first, which having 5 sides. Okay, we choosing the inner circle diameter of 150. We can also change the degree of the pentagon. This is enough. So we go with our new feature. So there is a trim, another feature. If you combine if the two lines crosses, then we can trim the other line from the crossed line. Okay, just like that. Only dragging, only clicking and dragging. So our next feature is mirror feature. So let me draw the circle at the center. So take a line to mirror a surface. There is line is important, so we choose the construction line. Click on mirror entities option, then entities to mirror. Obviously that is circle, and the mirror about that is center line. So our object is mirrored. Our next is linear sketch pattern. There are two options: linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern. So we choose linear sketch pattern, then choose the directions first, and then change the distance to pattern the entities, which is now circle. Number of entities and the distance between center to center distance between that entities. So there is another option, choose the direction to, that is x and y axis also. So choose the distance also, center to center distance, then number of quantity, then click OK. Our pattern is ready. Let me erase this. So our new feature is copy entities, then select the object, then they are asking for starting point, so click anywhere you want to start and just drag the mouse. Next is scale entities, then firstly select the sketch, then we just take as 5. Scaling is just a multiplication of dimensions, so select the point which you want to scale it. So we got the scale. Okay,